In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MidJourney AI image creator on Discord. MidJourney is a powerful AI tool that generates images from text prompts, and it runs entirely through Discord. So once you're signed into Discord, either in a browser or the desktop or mobile app, you're ready to go. Make sure your internet connection is stable. And if you're new to Discord, don't worry, I'll keep this simple and clear. First, open Discord. You'll see your server list on the left. We're going to add the MidJourney server so you can access the bot. Look for the small plus icon in the sidebar and click it to bring up the options. Choose join a server. This is where you can paste an invite link to any community you want to join. Now paste the official MidJourney invite link into the field and confirm to join. Using the correct invite is important for safety and to make sure you're connecting to the real MidJourney server. After you join, you'll land in the community with several channels on the left. If a welcome screen appears, just proceed into the server. Inside the server, pick a channel where the MidJourney bot is active. Often a beginners or newbies channel works great. In the message bar at the bottom, type the command #imagine. Discord will show a prompt field. Click into that field and describe the image you want. Be as clear as you can. Mention the subject, style, lighting, mood, and any important details. For example, you might describe the scene, the color palette, or the camera angle. Keep your prompt focused and avoid overly long lists. You can also add optional parameters like aspect ratio if you need a wide or tall image. When your prompt looks good, press enter to submit. The bot will respond with a grid of 4 images based on your prompt. This usually takes around a minute. Under the grid, you'll see buttons labeled U1 to U4 and V1 to V4. U stands for upscale. Click the number that matches the image you like to generate a larger, more detailed version. V stands for variations. Choose a V button to create a new set of images inspired by that specific result. If the channel is busy, open the thread attached to your job so you can easily follow your results. When you're happy with an image, open it and save it to your device. That's all there is to creating with MidJourney on Discord. Explore different prompts, refine your ideas, and have fun bringing your imagination to life.